Right, it's time to do some work on the engine bay. I'm going to cut that out. Get it ready for when I get some flat panel. Try and fix that up a little bit. Get that out. And I'll cut that one out as well. So measure it up. I'll square it up. So they're all cut out. Couldn't really get closer to that, but that's alright. A full triangle. And this kind of shape. Fuck up there, but that's alright. We'll fix that. Ready for some new bits that aren't so rusty or pitted looking shit. Getting some welding done today. I'll do a bit of panel beating there. Bring that up as well as there. But it's looking pretty good. Grind that back. Tick that in. Slowly weld that up. Starting to look a bit better. A few holes up here that got done. And there. Decided not to panel beat that up, it's too hard. Cut it out. Put a little bit in there, easy. Same with this one, a bit of grinding to do. Not bad for a first go, I suppose. We'll do the job. Also put some epoxy on this guard the other day. It's not finished yet, but just a little, yeah, all the rub throughs, just cover them back up. A lot better than what it was. Yeah. This one's getting there. A little bit more around here, I reckon. A little bit around here. Do these style lines, whatever they are. Style, I think they're style lines. Oof. Rightio, bit of an update. I did some sandblasting yesterday, being Wednesday the 5th of October. Did the eye covers for the Calais front. Did some other pieces I'll show you in a sec. I've done some welding inside the engine bay. Still need just a little bit there. Fill that in. A little bit more grinding and cleaning up. Same with that side where the battery was. These are the other bits for sandblasted and epoxied. So that bit's the fuel filler cover inside the fuel well, driver side. Bumper bar brackets. Or bumper bar brackets. Actually, sorry, they go underneath the lights. I think just keep them stable. Transmission mount thing, or tail shaft holder in there as it falls out. Brake booster thingo. And these are the go in your back doors. I reckon? Yeah, yep, from memory. And I've got a brand new rare spares door rollers. Set of 4. They seem right, nice and soft. Put them on and the new hinge kit. So they rocked up. And they rocked up. Start of the week, last Friday, I reckon. So pretty good postage times. Yeah, just clean those up again. Just re-epoxy that and then start bogging. Just put a bit of filler in all these spot holes. I had to go at knocking that lump out. So there's a dent there. Just the Commodore thing. That's not too bad for the first go. A little bit lumpy, but a bit of filler. Seam seal, all that. I do like the look of when people get all that seam sealer out and then weld all that up. But I don't think my skills are quite there yet. I think they're a long way off. Maybe on the next car I'll do that. This, yeah, the colour front, looking good. Just got them sitting up at the moment. This one's a little up, more up than that one, probably 5mm, 10mm or something. I don't know if you can adjust them somewhere there. Looks like you can. But no, these are all fairly ripply. Get some bog on those. You can see all the scratches from the grinding marks from previous owners. And they're bloody workmanship. Same with the doors, the paint stripped doors. It's got grinded or everything. Anyway, I sandblasted those and they're nice and clean. So yeah, I'll do some more work on that. Main thing is we'll try and get some colour on those. Hang the doors. At least get some colour on them this weekend and hang the doors during the week, I guess. And that would be cool. The doors are inside. All the insides of the doors are already painted. Just have to do the black on the frames of the doors to wherever they go. And then yeah, hang them. So yeah, might be a busy weekend. We'll see yet. Mint, considering the price of these things going through the roof, $2 grand plus. It's in pretty good nick, except for that, which is nothing. I thought I might as well use it, make it look a bit better. Wheels. Simmons. Everyone loves Simmons. And yeah, so that's another little update for the VL. That's just cruising along steady. Getting things done. Yeah, so I did a bit of blasting yesterday. Trailer, so I did these while I was there. Bit sandblasting. Just as a fill-in job, I help Timmy out with. Bit extra money. Helps him out too because he's a busy man. And yeah, getting there slowly. If you're liking the content, please like and subscribe. Thanks heaps, guys. Cheers.